If I spoke about it, if I did, I wonder. What would I tell you?
Today we are receiving a new asset here in T4, the most sensitive asset ever to be housed in this facility.
Robin sing in December, long before the springtime is due. And even though it's snowing, violets are growing. I know why, and so do you.
Perhaps I would just warn you about the tale of love and loss, and the monster who tried to destroy it all. One last time. Where is it?
Eliza, honey, he's coming for you.